Compact cars for the discerning driver, a class apart. Title: Compact cars for the discerning driver, a class apart. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, compact cars have become the go-to choice for many discerning drivers. These small yet powerful vehicles offer an exceptional combination of style, efficiency, practicality, and technology. With their compact size and nimble handling, they effortlessly navigate through crowded city streets while providing a comfortable and luxurious driving experience. In this article, we will explore why compact cars stand out from the crowd and why they are the preferred choice for those seeking a sophisticated driving experience. 1. Stylish design. Compact cars are known for their sleek and stylish designs. Manufacturers pay great attention to every detail, ensuring that even the smallest of vehicles exude elegance and sophistication. From the stylish curves to the bold grille and aerodynamic shape, compact cars make a statement on the road. The unique blend of functionality and aesthetics empowers drivers to demonstrate their personal style and taste. 2. Fuel efficiency. One of the significant advantages of compact cars is their exceptional fuel efficiency. With rising fuel prices and increasing concerns about the environment, many drivers opt for vehicles that consume less fuel. Compact cars are designed to maximize fuel economy without compromising performance. The use of lightweight materials, advanced engine technologies, and aerodynamic designs contribute to reduced fuel consumption, allowing drivers to save money while minimizing their carbon footprint. 3. Practicality and maneuverability. The compact size of these vehicles makes them effortlessly maneuverable in tight spaces. Whether it's navigating through busy urban streets or finding a perfect parking spot, compact cars excel at making the most out of limited space. Additionally, their compact dimensions make them easy to handle and provide a more engaging driving experience. Compact cars allow drivers to effortlessly navigate corners, twisty roads, and congested traffic, ensuring an enjoyable journey every time. 4. Advanced safety features. Compact cars are not only compact in size but also big on safety. Manufacturers equip these vehicles with advanced safety features to ensure a secure driving experience for the occupants. 5. Technology and connectivity. Compact cars are not lacking in essential features and cutting-edge technology. Despite their smaller size, these vehicles come equipped with the latest infotainment systems, touchscreen displays, Bluetooth connectivity, and smartphone integration. The interior of these vehicles is designed to be comfortable and ergonomic, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. 6. Luxurious interiors. Compact cars are no longer associated with cramped interiors. Manufacturers have revolutionized the compact car segment by offering spacious and luxurious cabins. The thoughtful design and attention to detail result in a comfortable driving space. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and ample legroom create an inviting atmosphere, making long drives enjoyable for both the driver and the passengers. 7. Customization options. In addition to their impressive features, compact cars also offer a wide range of customization options. Manufacturers understand that every driver has unique preferences, and they provide various choices to cater to individual tastes. From exterior paint colors to interior upholstery selections, drivers can personalize their compact cars to reflect their personality and style. This level of customization allows drivers to create a vehicle that truly stands out and becomes an extension of their own identity. 8. Lower cost of ownership. Compact cars are not only fuel efficient but also offer a lower cost of ownership compared to larger vehicles. The initial purchase price of a compact car is generally lower, making it a more affordable option for many drivers. Furthermore, these vehicles typically have lower insurance premiums and require less maintenance and servicing. With their excellent fuel economy, reduced maintenance costs, and affordable pricing, compact cars provide a cost-effective solution that appeals to budget-conscious drivers. 9. Environmental consciousness. A growing number of drivers are becoming more conscious of the environmental impact of their vehicle choices. Compact cars play a significant role in reducing carbon emissions and minimizing their ecological footprint. With their fuel-efficient engines and lightweight construction, these vehicles contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. By choosing a compact car, drivers can actively participate in preserving the environment while enjoying the benefits of a stylish and efficient vehicle. 10. Versatility and cargo space. While compact cars may be smaller in size, they offer surprising versatility and ample cargo space. Manufacturers have cleverly designed these vehicles to maximize interior space, ensuring that passengers and luggage can be accommodated comfortably. Foldable rear seats and innovative storage solutions allow drivers to easily transform the compact car into a capacious cargo carrier when needed. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a trip to the grocery store, compact cars provide the flexibility to adapt to various needs. 11. Resale value. Compact cars have a strong resale value, making them a wise investment for drivers. Their popularity and demand, coupled with their reputation for reliability and efficiency, contribute to their higher resale prices. This means that when the time comes to sell or trade in the compact car, drivers can expect a good return on their investment. The strong resale value not only reduces the overall cost of ownership but also provides peace of mind to drivers knowing that their compact car retains its value over time. 12. Community and online support.